In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install FC26 on Windows PC or laptop. Getting FC26 is really easy. All you need to do is, you need to buy the game from Games Marketplace, and there are two popular games marketplaces available. First one is Steam and second one is Epic Games. Both are very popular and very reliable, but I prefer Steam. And now to download the game, we need to open any browser on our laptop or computer and then search there Steam. Now go to the first website, which is from Steam's official, and on this website we need to click on install Steam from top, and then it will show you this download page. Tap on install Steam and then it will download the Steam setup file on your laptop or PC. Then open the setup file on your files explorer. After that, double tap on the setup file and follow the process to install Steam. Once the Steam is installed, we need to sign in here with Steam credentials. Now in case you don't have Steam account, then for that click on create a free account and then enter your email address, confirm your address, then choose your country, then fill in the captcha to confirm that you are human, and we need to accept conditions. Then tap on continue and your Steam account will be created. Then use those credentials to sign up on Steam. Now to get the FC26, we need to open the Steam app first, and on the store tab we need to search here FC26 like so, and from here you can read all the details about the game. So FC26 is a paid game, so that's why we need to bought it first, then we can download it, and to buy it we can click on add to cart, and now on this window we need to click on view my cart, and after that we need to click on continue to payment. So this is the price of the game in my country, it might be different in yours. Then choose the payment method. So multiple payment methods are available. Choose your card number, enter the billing information and do the payment. Once your game is purchased, go to Steam library. For that we need to click on library from top left corner, and on this library your game will be listed here. So you can see FC26 is here. I need to tap on it and then we'll be able to see this install button, and to install it we just need to tap on it. After that it will ask you to choose your file path. So the game will be around 55 GBs, so make sure that your drive has that much storage. So I have that storage. So now I need to click on install, then accept the conditions, and your downloading will begin. If you wanna see the downloads progress, then for that click on download from the bottom like so, and you can see the downloading has begun. And if you wanna pause it, then you can pause it from here. So we just need to wait for the moment until the game gets downloaded. Now you can see the game has been downloaded here. If you wanna play it, then tap on play. Now before playing the game, we need to firstly download the EA app. So for that we need to click on let's go. Now it will download the EA app. Now we need to create our EA account. For that you can use your Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, Steam account, or bunch of options are here. So I wanna create my account using my email ID. So for that I need to click on create account first. After that choose your country and date of birth, then click on next. Now we need to enter our email address and choose your EID. Your EID must be of 4 to 16 characters. After that we need to choose our password, then enter the captcha here and tap on next. After that our EA account will be created. Now enter the email or EID you used. After that click on next. Now we need to enter our password. So for that I need to enter the password here, and then a verification code will be sent on your email address. We need to fill that here, then tap on next again. Now it will ask you whether you wanna connect your EA account to Steam or not. So if you wanna connect it, then for that click on link accounts, and after that your account will be linked. Then tap on get started, and now it will start preparing your game. Once your game is prepared, it will automatically run the game on your laptop or PC. As you can see, the game has been started. I need to create a new settings file here. Name your settings file and then tap on done. Now choose your accessibility settings, then click on continue. Now let's play the game. We need to firstly choose our favorite club. So let's go with Argentina, and let's go with this club here. And that's how you can install and download FC26 on your Windows PC. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.